Super amazing big news I have for you all. Pocket Option Auto Trader is now available in Google Play Store. It's a little different than the version we normally have in our site. I will leave a link to both of them, by the way, plus the one for Google Chrome Store. So which one you want is up to you. But at least this for Google Play is one-click install. To get it available in Google Play Store, I needed to change it a little, make it more for demo. So the good thing is for you there, you can now sign up and you can just register with a demo account. You don't need to make a deposit to use the bot. But the good thing also, this one works for real money also. It's just for Google Play Store. I needed to make it more for demo account to get it approved, because it was not allowed to add it with real account to base it on that. So when you sign up, everything says about demo, but as you can see, it's working on demo and real account. So then you have the possibility to test it out yourself before you put in real money. But you still need to sign up with a link that will come with the bot. Everything is there. So it's just one-click install and you have it on your Android phone. So I will now take some trades with it, and you can see yourself how it is working. So there you have it. This one I needed to take with 10x speed, so go incredible fast. So let's see here now, you see we have 67% win rate. Last two videos I made, we have around 80, so let's see if we can get something close to that. Let's hope. I also set the highest target ever now. I set a $4,500 target in this video. So let's see what we can manage. You can see now we are a little worse than we had before. We have 4 wins and 3 losses, but it's a 57% win rate. I'm pretty happy with that. It's good. As long as we stay above 55, I think it's a good rating. So now we are at 50, back to 56. Let's see if the last one can be a winner or loss. Let's see. And let's see here now what we ended on. We ended with a 58% win rate. Pretty amazing. So if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, you find 3 links below the video this time. But if you prefer one-click install through Google Play Store, you can do that now. You see it looks a little different because it's based more for demo, but of course, like I said, it works for real account also. The good thing with this one for Google Play Store, you don't need to make any deposit to make it work. You can just test it out on demo account first and then deposit money after. But if you want always the most up-to-date version, use the one that you download the API code. That's the number 2 link that you find below. There always will be the newest version, because I will not update this one so often because it's so difficult to get approved and I don't want to risk not getting it approved again. So now as it's live, it's better to keep it the way it is. So if you always want the newest version, make sure that you use the second link and do it manually. But for all you want to have this bot now, you can go to Google Play Store right now. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Have an amazing day.